Welcome you all to the India Innovation Challenge Design Contest 2019 anchored by IIM Bangalore. This is our semi-final final business video. Our team ID is 1090093. We are from KSR Institute for Engineering and Technology. Our project title is Automatic Water Management System for Domestic and Industrial Purpose. Our company name is Aquatech Solution. We work on water management system products knowing the importance and availability of water in the earth's surface. This is our Aquatech team which comprises of 6 members. Introduction. Water is one of the most important key source for the survival of human. Without knowing the availability of the water and quality of the water, people consume it. On an average, each person uses about 80 to 100 gallons of water per day for indoor home uses. Are you surprised that the largest use of household water is to flush the water and after that to take showers and baths? Product differentiation. What sets us apart? Our product can operate digitally without human resources. It's cost effective and affordable for all classes of users. We are interconnecting all the devices of houses in an apartment using LoRa. The key performance in our product, it is 100% user friendly and it shows high accuracy, customization done according to the customer needs. We use real-time clock for easy data analytics. Our product consumes low power, high ratings for the customers when it's given for testing. Our competitors are RS Hydro who work on flow meters, Aquared who work on water quality checker, Truman who work on water flow controller, Sensorex who work on water level pH indicator. The key differentiating factor here is the water quality checker, the water flow controller, the water level indicator. All these are in a single device. That is the water quality check, both motor controlling both automatic and manual, flow control, leakage detection. All these features on a single device at a good price. That is Aquascets. Product awareness strategy. On an interview taken nearly from 215 people, 116 people don't have an individual to turn off the motor and face lots of water usage. 51 people drink unsafety water without knowing the quality. 48 people face huge water scarcity of water. And the response for our product and the solution given by us is 60% require the product now itself to save water for our future generation. 40% may need in the future for conserving the water. Our potential customers are hotels, houses, hostels, apartments, industries, mills and schools. The revenue streams. Our product will be protected in such a way that we file patent on it. We already published a journal paper as a first initiative. We will be generating money for our company by the following waves, that is through direct product selling, distribution commissions and overcoming a patent by others. The product cost. Our product cost is 12,500. The split up is product licensing 1,500, market costing 1,000, manufacturing cost 5,250, the GST 1,250 and the profit for a single product will be 3,500. The decision making. Our decisions and product facility and designs are taken entirely based on the customer needs and satisfaction. We, the Aquatech team, is well aware of that and able to adapt accordingly to the sustained environment and situations. Product innovation and risk. The conversion. Our innovation will be further sold to the customers and with a proper break-even, we will form a venture with our team members. Our conversion rate will be determined by the number of products we sell. We will be achieving our break-even point when we sold 335 products in the market. Innovation in our product. Integration of all features of our competitors in a single compact device. We are working on a new product in our device that is a valve to limit the flow of the water, we are going to link the devices in an apartment using a communication technology called LoRa. We are implementing a mobile application for the consumers to operate from anywhere. The risks and the bottlenecks. Our risks and hardnecks in our product is limiting the flow control. When a particular family crosses their monthly limit of water, the team, is working on the survey reports from the consumers, and from the reports we are programming and designing a separate customized flow control valve. Another major risk we identified while working is interconnecting of all apartment devices to a single controlling unit. This is a SWOT analysis. External dependency. Our project is mainly related to water, so we may discuss with public water department for the implementation in each apartment and houses. Customer acquisition. These are the ways which we are going to reach our esteemed customers. Integration with other products, offers and deals, and setting up a promotion and setting up an affiliate program, creating a lead generating site, and etc. The cost we are going to spend for customer acquisition is 25,000. And this is the buyer journey: purchase, installation, and smooth usage of our product. This is the sales funnel, and thank you. Drink healthy and stay wealthy. Thank you all.